my warrior, my king. Only you will do. You within whom I was encased by the master designer. You within whose arms I snuggle warmly, comfortably. You with whom I'm sheltered, protected, a haven provided, only you will do. Black man, black Adam, black king, where are you? Only you will do. A leader of courage, boldness and drive. You are destined to reign and defend your tribe. Black man. Sustainability, that spirit of